Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the iClone 8.1 3D avatar, what we call the iAvatar, into Unreal Engine 5.1 to make it become a game avatar, and also together with the facial morph, the facial expression morph, and also the lip sync VSAM morph from iClone 8.1. So you can use it in Unreal Engine 5.1 as well. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to retarget it in Unreal Engine 5.1 after you export the FBX file from the iClone 8. Just export the 3D avatar. And also how to make them become the main avatar and NPC in your Unreal Engine 5.1 game project. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. Right now you can see this is my iClone 8.1, and I'm going to choose a random avatar. For example, I choose from here the actor called crowd. As demo, I'm going to choose this, the party F001. Right, this is a 3D avatar that's already in your iClone 8.1 3D animation software. And first, what we are going to do is just export an FBX file at here. So I'm going to create a new folder. Name this folder as 01 FBX from iClone 8.1. Alright, now make sure you already double click and select it already. Click File, Export the FBX. The target 2 preset, I will choose Unreal. So this is the setting. Right, you can ignore first. Then just embed the texture. The maximum texture size as demo, I will just choose 1024. And then the current frame, just export because I just want to have this avatar. So I copy the file destination location, Ctrl C to copy, and then I paste it here, Ctrl V, and press Enter. The file name, I'm going to name this as iClone Avatar 01, for example, just like this. Right, then I click OK. It is going to export it, and it is going to export as FBX file. Right, next, what we're going to do is just open your Unreal Engine 5 game project. Now you can see this is my Unreal Engine 5.1 editor. As demo, I'm going to create a fresh new game project. The third person character. The project name is my project 16. I click create. It is going to create a fresh new project, and without any plugin, I'm going to show you how to retarget everything. Now this fresh new game project already starting. It is initializing. Just wait for a few seconds. It is going to load into this fresh new project, and now it's 96%, and now you can see everything done. So now if you play, you can see the third person avatar, the third person main avatar. This is the Unreal Engine 5.1 mannequin. And how are we going to make this to become the iClone avatar, this avatar from iClone? So now, just like this, the iClone avatar. So the first step, what you're going to do is just go to my video description there. Go and get the Freedom Animation Pipeline 8.1 for Unreal Engine 5.1. This is a zip folder. Once you download it, you have to extract to your file, your folder. This is my project 16. You can see the Freedom Animation Pipeline is ready on my desktop. It is inside the content folder. What you are going to do is just open your project directory. This is my project 16. Right click the file explorer, go to the documents, the Unreal projects. The directory is at here, my project 16. Open the content folder. Next, open the Freedom Animation Pipeline version 8.1 for Unreal Engine 5.1. Double click the content folder. Just copy and paste it here. The Freedom Animation Pipeline. After you successfully copy, you can close the folders. You can see the Freedom Animation Pipeline already in your Unreal Engine 5.1 at here. Right, so next what you are going to do is create a new folder here, iClone Avatar 01. Right, we are going to import the FBX into here from iClone 8.1. Drag in the FBX file, the iClone Avatar 01, drag in, then close. Here, just wait for a while. Under the advanced, import the morph targets, just take it. And everything, just click import all. Then you can close it. Then we can have a check. Just double click, you can see. Now, this is the texture problem. We can just set it up, just double click it. And then, it only have one. Just double click it. And then, what you're going to do is click the empty area. The blend mode, we change it to become the mask. Then, the alpha, we drag it to the opacity mask, and then click save. After you click save, you have to wait until it finishes the shader compilations. Then you back to here, everything will look normal. Now everything already set up normally. And then you can check all of this. These are the morph. Right, now you can see. If you take it, it will reset to 0. Mouth blow. All of these are facial expression and also the lip sync morph that you can use it in Unreal Engine. You can program it. So next, what I'm going to show you is how to make them become the main avatar and NPC in your Unreal Engine 5 game project. First, you have to retarget it. To retarget it, it is very easy. Just open the skeleton. Before you open the skeleton, just to right click and create an animations. iClone, create an iClone. Like this. Click. Then, the iClone, you have to choose the avatar's name, the iClone Avatar 01. Choose the same name. Then, you have to rename it iClone Avatar 01 underscore iClone. And then, double click to open it. Next, what we're going to do is just click the character. Under the bones, you have to show all the hierarchy so that you can see all the bones. And now, we check again under the character, the bones. The bone draw size, choose 1, it is better, like this. So first we have to check where is the pelvis. Okay, this is the pelvis, or what we call the hip. So this structure, we right click it and then set as a retarget root. And also click and then right click to create a new retarget chain. And this one, you just name this as pelvis, or hip is okay. Just like this. Okay, no go. This is pelvis or hip. So you already create a chain. Next is the spine. Okay, the pelvis. After the pelvis, this 1, 2, 3, the 3 structure here. Click the first one and hold the shift. Click the last one. You already selected the spine like this. Right click it. New retarget chain from the selected bone, and the chain name. Now for this time, it automatically rename as the spine. If not, then you have to type it here, the spine. Always remember this 1, 2, 3. Sometimes the skeleton name may be different, but you have always to remember the spine. Or you can name this as backbone. It's up to you. Click OK. No go. So next is the neck and the head. Neck and the head. Click the neck and hold the control. Click the head. Right click to create a new retarget chain. The chain name should be head. That no go. Now, next one, you have to find the shoulder. So all of this we don't need. We need to have the shoulder, then the upper arm, lower arm, and also the hand. Which one is the hand? This one. You have to hold the control, click it. These 4 bones, Just right click it to create a new retarget chain. Left arm is okay. If here never show a left arm, then you have to type a left arm at here. Follow exactly this name format. Click OK. No go. Then now we are looking for the fingers. Finger, the first one you can see the middle finger is already here, index. So now click the middle. Okay, like this. Right click, set the retarget button. Left middle. No go. Index finger. Left index. The ring finger. Now it's a pinky finger. Sometimes it named as little finger. Then if you right click it and click new retarget here, you never name properly. You have to name this as left pinky. Click OK. No go. Then the thumb. Okay. No go. Then next should be the right arm. This is the right shoulder. Then hold the control, right arm. Then go and find the lower arm. Like this. Then hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. We just need to have this 4. Right click. New retarget chain. Right arm. Click OK. No go. Next is the fingers. The middle. Do the same way. Everything can be very easy. No go. The index. Pinky. Alright, now you can see all of these are the retarget chain. You have all the left hand fingers, right hand fingers, left arm, right arm, the head and the spine. Next is the leg. You can see this one, the thigh, calf, foot, and also the ball. Right, click, hold the control, calf, foot, ball. Done. This, the whole structure, right click and new retarget chain from the selected bone. This is the left leg. Okay, no go. Next is the right leg. We have to find it. Right thigh, hold the control, calf, foot, and ball. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right click, new retarget chains. Right leg, click OK. No go. Now seem everything done already. The retarget chain already done. For this time, you click save and close. Now we already successfully create an IK rig for your iClone Avatar 01. So for every time you import an iClone Avatar as the FBX file into the Unreal Engine 5.1, you have to create an IK rig first before you create a retarget. Before you retarget it, you need the IK rig. Next, you have to go to the skeleton. And then always remember, just now this one is the pelvis. The pelvis, you have to click here, show the retarget option to make sure the pelvis or the hip, you have to change it to become the animation scale. Done. Once done already, click save and then close. Then next, we are going to make this become the main avatar. Before that, we have to retarget it. In order to retarget it, you have to back to the content. You have the freedom animation pipeline. Double click into the folder and then go to the UE4A pose mannequin. Then go to the character mesh. From here, you can see this is a UE4A pose IK rig. Just to create an always remember this. The UE4A pose IK rig, this is the name that we are going to retarget from here. And after you remember this name, UE4A pose IK rig, you back to your content, back to your folder. The iClone Avatar 01. Just to create an animation, IK rig, the IK retargeted. Create one at here. Then to copy the animation from, of course, it's from UE4A pose IK rig. This one, click. Then you name this as UE4A pose IK rig. Alright, UE4A pose underscore to iClone avatar 01 underscore. Alright, this is the file name. The UE4 apples to iClone avatar 01 retargeted. Right, once you have this already, you have to double click in. And then, this is the source. The target, you have to choose your iClone's avatar 01, like this. And then, the target mesh offsets, you put 150 here. Then, you have to come to the source. Under the source, you have to click create and then import from the animation sequence. You have to choose the T-pose. All of this I already given in the Freedom animation pipeline, the T-pose. Click import as retarget pose. So now both of them, they are T-pose. Go back to the character, bones. You can just click the selected only so that everything will look clear. So it's your time to retarget it. For this time, you click save and close. After you've done this step, back to the content, the Freedom animation pipeline, you have to open it. Go back to the UE4A pose mannequin. Go into the animation blueprint. You should be able to see a third person animation blueprint here. Right click it, retarget, duplicate and retarget the animation blueprint. Then the IK retargeter, you have to choose the UE4A pose to your iClone. You have to find it out. Here, UE4A pose to iClone avatar 01. This is the name that you created just now, the IK retargeter. You choose it. Then you click retarget. Now, next step, you have to back to the iClone avatar 01. Then go back to your retargeter, UE4A pose to iClone avatar 01 IK retargeter. At this moment, from here, the catwalk walking, you click export. Export. Next is the idle female, you click export. Export. Then the next one is the run female, click and export. So all this step you can skip if this is a male avatar. If she's a female avatar, then you have to export these three animation. And later I will tell you why. So now next you can close this. Now you can see all of these are the animation that retargeted. For example, the run female. Alright, all of this, we are going to move it. You can see your iClone avatar 01. From here, you have to create a new folder, name this as animation. Next, you back to your content. We are going to move everything. The first one, you hold the shift click, the last one. We move everything into this animations, the animation folder. Drag and drop into animation folder and move it here. Next, go into the third person blueprint. For this time, we are going to change the main avatar. Now this is the main avatar. Alright, if you try to test play the game, this is the main avatar. We are going to change it to become our iClone avatar 01. This girl. So now you have to duplicate this, right click and duplicate it. The character, you have to press underscore. You remove the ones. Underscore iClone avatar 01. Press enter. Then you double click to check in. Click the mesh, click the viewport. The skeleton mesh assets, you have to choose your iClone avatar. The iClone avatar 01. Then the animation class, you have to choose the... Wait, before you choose this, the animation class, you have to rename something. Right, wait. You back to your content. Go to your iClone avatar 01, the animation. So here, this is the third person animation blueprint. you have to press F2 to rename it by adding an underscore behind. Name this as iClone Avatar 01. Name it according to your avatar's name. Then press enter. Next, you back to here. Choose the animation class. You should be able to see the third person animation blueprint iClone Avatar 01. We want this. Next, you click compile, click save, click close. Next, back to the content. Go to the third person blueprint. Now, this is the new blueprint, and we are going to choose this as a main avatar in your Unreal Engine 5.1 game project. To change the main avatar, you have to go to the BP third person game mode. The main avatar is at here, default point class. You change it to become the BP third person character iClone Avatar 01. Then click compile, click save, click close. Now if you play, you can see that the iClone Avatar 01 already become the main avatar in your Unreal Engine 5.1 game project. But you can see she's too masculine. The animation blueprint look like a man, look like a gorilla. So how can we make it to be more feminine? We can change the animation blueprint, we can edit it. First, close it first. Back to the contents. Go into your iClone Avatar 01 animation. You should be able to see the third person either run. Just double click it. And then, if you hold the control, you can see all of this animation. They are too masculine. For example, this is the either, this is the walk, either walk, and this is run. We are going to change it. That's why just now I asked you to retarget the catwalk and also the either female and run female. You can see this is the first line, second line, third line, fourth line, and fifth line. So we are going to delete this. Click and press delete button to delete it. Second one, click and delete. The fifth one, click and delete as well. Next, the either female, you drag it to replace it here. The first line. The catwalk walking, drag it to put it here. Then, the run female, you drag it to replace the fifth line. So you hold the control, now you can see this is the female either. Then female, catwalk, and also female run. Now once done already, if you click save and close, try to replay. Now you can see this is a female run. She's coming as more feminine blueprint. And now you can see the foot is not touching the ground. This is easy to settle. Back to the content. The third person blueprint. Open the blueprint. Go to the mesh. Go to the viewport. Now, here you can just drag it to make it down. Okay, so this one, to move it, this grid you change it to 1 like this. Then compile, save, and try to replay again to observe. Yes, now her foot already can touch the ground. Just adjust. You can just edit and modify in this way. Now her foot can touch the ground. If not satisfied, then pull it down again. Should be better. Compile, save, then try again. Now she can touch the ground already. And she can run in a feminine way. She's no more look like a gorilla, like a man. Now she really become a girl. The animation blueprint already done. So now everything you can see, we already successfully exported the iClone iAvatar, the 3D avatar from the iClone 8.1 and import into Unreal Engine 5.1 to make it become the main avatar or the NPC. The NPC is really easy. The facial morph already there. We already finished the retargeting as well. To make her become NPC, you can just right click and duplicate. Then the avatar 01, wait, you can just press, and this is iClone Avatar 01, add an underscore NPC. Then the NPC, you can just double click and go to the event graph. Here you can program the NPC to perform anything, for example the facial morph, etc. Once you're done already, just drag it out, press E, like this, then she's an NPC. Now if you play, at the same time you are the player, the iClone Avatar 01 is the player. At the same time, this is the NPC as well. The NPC already there. This is really easy. Alright. So everything already done. And you can learn this to become a game developer by using the avatar in iClone 8.1. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all this tutorial and sharing are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing. See you.